morning, everybody. It is Saturday, September 25th, morning of Tunerevo, and I'm gonna do a daily vlog for today. It is car show day, and we're up at 6:30 something. The boys still sleeping, so let's go wake their ass up. Yo ass up, wake your 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 ass up. It's Tunerevo, it's Tunerevo, it's Tunerevo. Got the boys, all their car are here. Only problem is we have to go wash our car this morning.
Except for mine.
Yeah.
Mine's staying dirty.
Well, thankfully mine's dirty enough that I don't have to clean it that much because it's a wrap. Santi is going to work. It is 6:49 and check-in is from 7 to 10:30. And they're still asleep. Trust me, I went in there and I was jumping on the thing. So
I can wake them up for you.
it's okay. Let's go. How you feeling, sir? Well, there's your answer. Today, sir, what are we doing?
Today is show day. We're going to Tunerevo. But first we're gonna wash our cars.
Our car is okay. But this guy over here pixelate some stuff. Oh, look. Look at that. But forged carbon though. Let's fucking go. Yeah, you see how excited we are right now. All right, ready?
2.5 hours of sleep.
2 hours. 2 hours is it? Yeah.
Did you hear him?
Yeah, that's
What?
what.
Did you hear him all night?
No. How much gas you put in, sir?
You know, I'm struggling right now, so I'm about to put like $2, $3.
$2.
Yeah.
So like what?
Not that much right there.
Okay, I got you.
I have wireless watch in the car too, so.
Are you excited?
Oh, I'll be excited when I'm there.
Really?
Yeah,
I'm
right
excited.
Now I'm just trying to clean and get there and not have to rush. That's my thing. I don't like rushing.
Yeah, well, everyone woke up a little bit earlier.
It's okay.
About an hour earlier.
Hello.
How much did you put in?
I didn't put anything.
Y'all, that's so fucking fast. I was still pumping gas into the
Dude,
car.
I have 17 miles. I have to go pump again. I put $3. $3 is 1 gallon. 1 gallon for me is 24 miles. And I have 17 miles.
Bro, that pump was pumping so fucking slow.
It looked like I didn't
I just heard the cars.
Hey, Tayo.
Your gas went down.
You missed a
My
spot.
gas went up for no reason.
Yeah.
You missed a spot.
That one was wet. Look at these rocks, bro.
I was pumping gas and I just hear y'all.
What a
cars
catfish.
Really catfish?
And next thing.
Did you squeeze it out?
Dude, just a bunch of dudes, man.
Sir, can somebody explain why people are driving in circles?
NASCAR. It's a race. Race car. They're burning gas.
Why are they burning gas, sir?
Quarter tank, fire marshal.
Exactly. Put a tank in below. See them right there?
Damn, bro, why he gotta flex like that? Fucking swole.
Yeah, those two right there. I say yes or no for you going in. Gang, gang. Gang, gang. Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, no.
Amy, see this?
See, that's how you
Take care of your man.
Yep, that's how you treat a man.
Funny guy. Funny fucking guy.
Amy, I.
Disconnect your battery once you walk in and once you park.
Okay, thank you.
All right, we'll come in about 30 minutes to check.
Okay, thank you.
Is it you three?
Yes, yes, sir.
Damn, those cars are waxy.
Yeah, I will. I'm about to disconnect now. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
What's up? You know how it is. First one ever.
Gotta keep it clean.
Aww, what? Just close your eyes, it'll feel the same.
Oh my gosh.
No, he has freaking spokes. Mine's just one lip. I'm like, I can't do that in this car. Excuse me.
Excited?
Yeah, of course.
Are you?
Why are you yelling?
Look at the coma. Look at the coma. Come on.
Wow. How close were you to getting that?
That?
Yeah, you said you wanted to get that, right?
Yeah, that was my first choice for this. I never thought about buying this car.
Oh.
That's why I said
What
that.
What happened?
I broke.
Oh, wow, okay.
Sorry, son.
Tayo, you missed a spot.
Gone.
Oh my goodness.
Say something to her. Let me say something to her. Amy! Amy! You only snapped Amy. No?
Camera, camera, camera.
Oh my god. What kind of shit is that?
Why is that a cannon?
Fucking inspired. That's what it is. And Napri.
Oh, y'all look so cute.
Stand up there and do a selfie.
Famous YouTubers.
Well, how long have we been here? Like for 3 hours?
3 hours.
3 hours. We hungry.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Are you sure? I need the mic, bro.
I asked that in your last video. You know that? Bro.
Oh, in the white?
7.
7. Would you like a drink? Hot tea? I want tea.
Can I get a water?
Water.
So give me a recap.
What's up, bro? Remember Kevin? Remember me? This is for you, Leah. Eric, you like our shirt?
I got you a drink!
It's special. Give Kevin a hug.
Oh, thank you.
I'll see you, Leah.
Thank you. He's so excited. Very excited as well.
Oh, he's gonna put on his shirt.
No, I'm not wearing his flyer.
It's a little big, but you're gonna throw
big.
into it. You'll throw into it. You look good, man. You look handsome.
Hey, Kenny. Oh, my bad.
Oh my God!
Picture.
Wait, hold on, yeah, let me take a picture. You ready? You're gonna hold hands?
What's up, guys? It's been a while after that last clip that you guys saw. It's about almost 2 months, give or take, and a lot of stuff happened after that. And I forgot that I didn't make an outro, so here I am. To sum it up, the show was pretty dope. It was my first show ever. If you didn't hear me mention, like, I don't know, 20,000 times in the video, but it was so cool. Like, some cool pictures together here and there, the group, the boys, and then there. And from that time, I actually made a little poster. Actually made this. Kind of made it myself, my pictures, my girlfriend, the boys, and my wristband that I was there. So something a little cool. I have to say, for a first show, it was dope. Again, like Never thought I would be able to go to my first show at this stage of my life right now. Yeah, we had fun. Friends came and supported us. Shout out to our biggest supporter ever, my boy Eric, Leah's kid. Man, he showed up. He was so excited. He tried to hold it in, but we knew he was so excited to be there and everything. And man, that guy really supported us. Like, he watches all our video, Kenny and I's video, and for him to be there and see how he is, and it's so crazy. Like, shout out to him. Eric, if you're watching this right now, what's up, man? I miss you, bro. Like, thank you for watching the video, dude. Like, keep loving cars. Don't ever stop. If you see him in the video, like, that's one of the reasons why most of us was wearing this shirt, you know, Inspire. And that's a little brand that Kenny and I are starting together. And that's literally what it's all about, you know? Like, it's crazy, too. The timing is, like, so perfect because, you know, having Eric there and me and Kenny and, like, we were once, like, kids going to these car shows, and we were never thought to be there, like, at this stage of our life, and we're there, and literally we're on the other side now, seeing people, like, it's taking pictures of our car, and our car is not even, like, all that, but, like, just see people, like, taking pictures of our car, liking our car, giving us compliment here and there, and, like, having Eric there, like, he's, like, he just going crazy about everybody else's car, but when he sees our car, he just knows it's us, and, like, this is why you saw us wearing, like, most of us wearing the shirt, and it's literally a brand that Kenny and I are starting, and it's literally, it's what it's all meant to be. It's the idea of we were once a kid that we were inspired to do something, whatever it is, you know, cars, like arcade cars and stuff like that, and, like, for you to kind of give back, you know, inspire the younger generation to have that same drive that you had when you were younger. And that's why we have the shirts come in. Still prototype. We're trying to get the shirt quality good, but it's, you know, you have the Inspire shirt here, and then on the back you have our little saying with a big logo on the back. We're also gonna have stickers. This is the oil slick, you know, color shift. You've seen it before. And we have gold. It's like a kind of a satin gold, and we're also gonna have gloss white. But yeah, it's crazy that the timing for us to try to start this brand because of something that we went through, and then seeing it in person, it's just another motivation for us to keep on going. And can't wait to go for my next car show. But right now, you know, it's just trying to get back to everything, and I hope you guys enjoyed that little video. I didn't record the whole time. I was just trying to enjoy the moment, you know, embrace the moment here and there. And, like, after that last clip, I just kind of put the camera away and just enjoy the vibe and the friends and all that stuff. More footage of the show. I'm gonna put a link down below for my girlfriend's vlog, and she basically kind of vlogged almost a whole day for that, and that's a different point of view. But yeah, thank you for checking for another video. I'm sorry that I've been missing for a bit. It's kind of hard trying to, you know, do live and make videos here and there, but I'm trying. Again, thank you for checking out another video of mine. We're at the moment, I think we're at 411 subscriber, and I never thought I would even get to this point. So I know it's just a number, but it's just like 400 of y'all click that subscribe button and want to watch my video. So I really do appreciate it, and that just keeps me wanting to make more content, you know. And I'm not doing it just for YouTube or, like, you know, whatever. It's just I just want to make stuff for my own purpose, so when down the line I can look back and see what I've been through. So till next time, deuces.